Alright guys, so for more details. Yo guys, Hans here, and this is the Remax S2 Bluetooth headset. Out of the box, we have a lot of accessories. We have 3 sets of earbuds with different sizes, and also we have our 2 sets of ear hooks. And also we have our short charging cable and a carry-on pouch. So I'm really impressed about the packaging guys, kasi naman talagang pinaghandaan ni Remax. So dito sa side na to is magnetic yan, and pag open mo maganda yung presentation. So the Bluetooth headset is using a flat cable wire, so hindi siya mabilis mabuhol. And also nandito rin yung ating controls for controlling the volume, power on, and pairing to our Bluetooth device. So yung controller dito guys is medyo manipis lang and maliit lang siya. Also guys, napansin ko dito sa wire na to is magaan siya and also hindi siya makati sa leeg. And maganda rin yung flex niya kasi malambot siya. Okay, so yung ating end-to-end earphones naman is magnetic. So pwede mo siyang gawing kwintas and hindi siya malalaglag sa leeg mo. Alright guys, so mapapansin nyo, this earphones is a little big. And it has weight to your ears, so medyo naaanganay siya. But since nandito lahat yung electronics and charging port, and of course the light indicator, kaya siya malaki. Comfort guys is not that good. So since nakinig ako dito for at least 1.5 hours, sumakit yung tenga ko kasi meron siyang weight and medyo malaki siya sa tenga. But overall guys, sound quality is good. So it has perfect bass kasi maganda yung tama ng bass. Hindi siya ganun ka-bassy, hindi rin siya ganun ka-low bass. Yung talagang true bass yung maririnig mo sa kanya. And also, clear yung sound ng mids and highs. Yun ang hinahanap ko sa sound quality. Yung perfect na bass and yung clear mids and highs. And also guys, don't forget this has audio notification. So pag nalulobat na siya, nagsasalita siya. Battery low. Tapos kapag pairing na, pairing. Kapag Bluetooth connected, Bluetooth connected. So medyo nakakatuwa siya kapag mapapansin mo habang ginagamit mo, malulobat na magsasalita siya. And also pagka mataas na yung volume, sasabihin niya rin sa'yo na sagad na yung volume. So okay, maganda yung audio notification niya. Battery life on this is 4 to 6 hours depending on your volume. So sa liit ng battery na meron to, it's not bad guys. Alright guys, so for more details about this product, available to at Nissan online store. So check them out on Facebook kasi namimigay din sila ng free sticker pad. So link in the description box. Alright guys, so again, my name is Hans Andres, and for more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching.